Wound care is a specialty that consists of adding different types of treatment protocols to help patients heal. We provide care to patients that might need a skin graft, patients that might need IV antibiotics, patients that need to have a vascular intervention, or patients that might need hyperbaric therapy. So hyperbaric therapy, we actually place a patient inside of a chamber. We compress that patient 2 to 3 times more in oxygen. So the oxygen that they breathe on top of the compression that's applied around them allows the oxygen to enter into their system like an antibiotic, if you would, or medication. The one thing that I love about Trusted is that they go above and beyond for their patients. So the patient can come to one area and get all their treatment. I love what I do. I'm helping somebody get better and back into their everyday lives, and that's what I do. I help people heal.